Hi, I love Ada. I got married 10 years ago, and I've been living with my hubby. I will say I and my hubby has been cat and rats. We didn't learn ourselves. We were in arranged marriage, and all these things made us to become cat and rats. He fights me, I fight him. And do you know what happened? After 10 years of our marriage, it looked as if the marriage has begun. Love Ada. Every morning now before my hubby go out, I love to see him being good and healthy. I give him the best of his breakfasts. Love Ada. And my hubby knows whatever I ask my hubby to do for me, he tries his best. And I have come to ask this question. Is it that sometime when you marry a man and you felt the man did not love you from him, maybe when the marriage is getting to 10 years, it becomes sweet. Oh my God. My people, make una come answer for comment section. This question no be only me. When you tell us your own experience, you marry your husband. This woman says when she marry her husband, the two of them fight a lot. The two of them don't agree to each other. To the extent that even when she's going out, she will be, if she's in the front, her husband will be at the back. People know them, that they don't agree together. Yet she gave birth to 4 kids. How do you manage to do it? Madam, I have to ask you on this place. How do you manage to give birth to 4 kids? Even when you know that you and your husband are cat and rats. And he said today, she gives her husband better breakfast. Better breakfast. But you didn't explain this breakfast for us. And he said it's like they're just starting. They are now in honeymoon. And want to say congratulations to everyone who this kind of thing have happened to. What does she want to know? She says she have come to ask us. And this question is this. What will she cook for her husband so that the man will love her more? Madam the madam. No go ask this question to people in the world. Don't cook anything. Your husband have loved you already. But if you talk about the kind of food you are going to prepare for your husband, that will make him look healthy, and even for yourself and your kids, these are the ones that I will tell you. The food that you will give to your husband. Hey, number 1 food that your husband will like is make with seasons for involve. I think maybe when you married you earlier, you are not good on bed. He thinks you don't understand him. And you know that there are some men that they are not romantic. Maybe the man is not romantic. He just want to come back, and you too will show him that no, I'm not cheap. All these things makes marriage to be tough at the early stage. But when it's getting down, the two of you has begun to love, understand each other. You have known how to communicate with each other. Then another one, there are some good food that you can give to this same man. And this man will thank you and say, which person taught you this? And this particular food will be in the next video. In that next video, I'm going to target food that you will give to your sweet husband. Thank you. Love Ada Family TV.